Thank you very much for giving opportunity and appreciating efforts of AICT. Also, last year we were in AICT and it has been appreciated that wonderful campus. Certainly, sir, it's wonderful. Lot of energy in AICT campus, and we were waiting even for this event. Also, we were waiting that it will happen in AICT. It is unfortunate that pandemic situation is there. We are unable to meet physically. Otherwise, we would have hosted here itself, sir. So it would have been a wonderful opportunity for all of us. It's great. First of all, I'll be congratulating whole team for organizing this very important event, basically for empowerment for our Divyang brothers and sisters in the country. And as far as my journey with this initiative, it has been started somewhere in 2015, sir, when I was working as director, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chandigarh. And that institute is basically meant for imparting training to technical teachers. And in northern part of the country, they are covering around 9 states, starting from Jammu and Kashmir to UP. 9 states technical teachers are being trained there. In between, I had opportunity to meet with Dr. Jitendra Agarwal, and the zeal and enthusiasm, dedication which he was having, I've been impressed a lot, sir, with his dedication. And that Chandigarh Institute, NITR Chandigarh, is having huge infrastructure, huge hard infrastructure, very good computational facilities, laboratories. The students who are studying there, doing MTech, PhD, they are teachers also, majority of them. So, Dr. Jitendra Agarwal has requested, can NITR Chandigarh also join hands all together for these Divyang Jans and for empowerment of Divyang Jans? It was a wonderful opportunity for me. इससे अच्छा मौका क्या मिल सकता था कि कहीं पे जो है देश सेवा के अंदर, और जो हमारे दिव्यांग साथी जिनको कह रहे हैं, जिनके कुछ डिसेबिलिटी है, क्या उनको अपन मेन स्ट्रीम में ला सकते हैं. दैट वाज ए वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी, and we have started that action in the form of a small infrastructure in Chandigarh itself. We have created where some computers we have provided, some hard infrastructure it has been given in the form of buildings and all. कुछ hostels की भी, कुछ बच्चों को commute करने के लिए buses वगैरह का, that type of alignment we had. But the professors who were serving there, they said, sir, in our mandate nothing is written, and that this infrastructure can be used for even for outsiders, for providing skills and all. It is meant only for teachers. I said, please show me the where that act is, what is written in act. They said, sir, in act it is written that it is meant for teachers training. So I said, it's very good, it is for teachers training, but where it is written that the Divyangjans can't be trained here? ऐसा तो कहीं पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है. और उसी से हमारी वहां पे शुरुआत हुई, सर. Around 3 years we have worked all together. Their job was basically to motivate these people in the vicinity of Chandigarh, in the state of Punjab, state of Haryana. Many boys and girls who are 18 plus, they used to come in NITR Chandigarh. We were utilizing expertise of NITR Chandigarh, our teachers, and even we have tied up with Tech Mahindra. From their professionals were coming for educating those disabled children. And finally, we were inviting some of the industries also. When the training program, it was approximately for 4 months, when that training program was getting ended, after strong motivation to those people, same time improving their communication skills, improving their some IT skills also, and in service sector also, in what way they can deliver. So that sort of training for 4 months, it was happening in NITR Chandigarh. And finally, industries used to come for the purpose of providing jobs to those children. And we were saying to industries, you please give job to them if they are capable. If some shortcomings are there, please tell to us. एंड इस तरह से हमने 3 साल के अंदर करीब 750 बच्चों को, सर, कंट्री के अंदर उनको पैरों पे खड़ा किया. और ऐसे ऐसे बच्चे जो ऑर्थोपेडिकली काफी वीक थे, इवन दे गोट जॉब अप टू 23,000 रुपीज पर मंथ. One boy who was very weak, in fact even he was unable to move by walk, he got a job of 23,000 rupees per month after taking training at NITR Chandigarh with the help of the Tech Mahindra and our support and Dr. Jitendra Agarwal's support. And I invited that boy in my office कि ऐसी क्या बात है, आपको 23,000 का जॉब किस तरह से मिला है, what facility you are having. हमारे इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स को 8-10 हजार रुपए से ज्यादा का जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है. Why you have been selected for the job of 23,000 rupees? He said, sir, when interview was happening, the company people, they asked from me that what are your expectation, आपको कितनी तनख्वाह चाहिए. So that boy said, sir, I don't want that component. I want that what exactly I have to deliver, what responsibilities I have to shoulder in your organization. What exactly outcome will be required from me, in what way I'll be contributing for the betterment of your organization, that you please tell me. And due to that interview, that industry people were so happy that why is so motivated, so talented, so valued person, and that's why that 23,000 rupees per month it has been offered. ऐसे बच्चे निकले और 2013 के 2015 के अंदर that NITR Chandigarh, it has been awarded by President of India, national award we have got, sir, for this noble job which NITR Chandigarh it has been done. So it was a wonderful opportunity. After that one, we have started at Gurgaon, then we have started in Rajasthan, at many places these sort of activities it has been started. I was continuously in touch with the whole team, and after entering into AICT, many initiatives at AICT level also we have taken, sir. We are having around 10,000 technical institutes in the country, and now every institute mandatorily they should be, means barrier-free environment they'll have to provide for everyone. Even for the old people and the disabled people, they'll have to provide that sort of infrastructure. Even we have started some scholarships also for disabled boys and girls in the country in 50 polytechnics. We are having around 1,250 scholarships for these Divyang children. They are successfully completing their polytechnic programs. Even in engineering education for girls, we are having special scholarship scheme in the name of Sakshama. So those children are also being promoted by AICT. So many initiatives at AICT level and in technical education, even in skilling component of the children, it has been started. It is wonderful opportunities, sir. Very good work is being done. Government is also very clear. Government vision is also clear. So if this type of initiative at every corner of the country, if it is taken, then certainly situation of these people will change. Always we are with Sarthak team. Any sport in future also, if it is needed, we are ready to accept.